The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision ground-based missiles near Pavlograd have destroyed the workshops of an explosives and gunpowder manufacturing facility for the Ukrainian Armed Forces. High-precision air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit 9 Ukrainian military facilities, including 1 command post of Ukrainian Brigade, 4 strong points and places of concentration of manpower and military equipment, as well as 4 missile and artillery weapons depots near Barvinok, Novyi Pervomaisk and Ivanovka in Kharkov region. Operational, tactical and army aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit 26 military assets of Ukraine, among them 1 battalion's command and observation post, as well as 25 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. Up to 150 nationalists, as well as more than 40 armored vehicles and cars, were destroyed. Missile troops and artillery carried out 423 firing missions, destroyed 26 command posts, 367 strong points and areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 25 artillery batteries positions. 4 missile and artillery weapons and ammunition depots near Gusarovka and Velikaya Kamyshevacha were destroyed. Russian air defense means destroyed 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Barvinok, Vasilievka, Krasnogorovka, Kremennaya, Novyi Pervomaisk, Poltavka, Tomarino, Fedorovka and Yasinovatoe. In total, 141 aircraft and 110 helicopters, 551 unmanned aerial vehicles, 264 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,496 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 282 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,093 field artillery and mortars, as well as 2,343 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.